Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Kevin in Virginia on his brand new General Lee dual MOSFET mobile radio. First thing you notice, Kevin, I did change this blue LED out of the meter and put the clear in for you. Got your dim right there as well. As requested, RF power. Show you what we got here. 5-watt slug on low, 2 watts, 5 watts on the high. Go over here to show you average power. 100-watt slug. Hello audio. A good 20 watts of average power. Show you the peak. Still with a 100-watt slug, 1x position. Hello audio. Hello audio. About 48 watts, Kevin. Alright, my friend, is ready to come to you. I'll have your noise canceling and static 636L shipped with it. Should make a great combo out there in the hunting grounds. Thank you, Kevin. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Ball ball.